Today we study lesson 109, fraction story problem. Number A. Rana had 4 cookies in her lunch. She gave her friend Aya 2 of them. What fraction of the cookies did Rana share? If we want to write the fraction, first make fraction line. Under the fraction line, we write the total number. What is the total number? 4. So we write 4. On the top, we write the number of Rana share. How many cookies Rana share? 2. So we write 2 on the top. The fraction is 2/4 or 2/4. Omar went out for pizza. His pizza had 3 slices and he ate 2 of them. What fraction of the pizza is left? If we want to write the fraction, first make fraction line. Under the fraction line, we write the total number. What is the total number? 3. So we write 3. And on the top, we write the number of slices left. How many slices is left? 3 minus 2 equal 1. So the left is 1. So we write 1 on the top. The fraction is 1/3. Karim had a sandwich. He cut it into 2 pieces and ate 1. What fraction of sandwich did he eat? If we want to write the fraction, first fraction line. Under the fraction line, we write the total number. What is the total number? 2. And on the top, we write the number of pieces he eats. How many pieces he eats? 1. So we write 1. The fraction is 1/2. Farah and Shrif picked flowers. They had 4 flowers. Farah took 3 of the flowers and gave 1 to Shrif. What fraction of the flowers did Farah take? If we want to write the fraction, first make fraction line. Under the fraction line, we write the total number. What is the total number? 4. So we write 4. On the top, we write the number of flowers Farah took. Farah took how many flowers? 3. So we write 3 on the top. The fraction is 3/4 or 3/4. Sarah picked a pie and cut it into 4 pieces. Her family ate 3 of the pieces. What fraction of the pie is left over? If we want to write the fraction, first make fraction line. Under the fraction line, we write the total number. What is the total number? 4. So we write 4. And on the top, we write the number of left. How many pieces is left? 4 minus 3 equal 1. So the number of pieces is left 1. So we write 1 on the top. The fraction is 1/4 or 1/4. Number F. Ahmed was in charge of the soccer balls for the team. He brought 3 of them, 2 brackets, but 2 of them were flat. What fraction of the soccer balls could Ahmed use? If we want to write the fraction, first make fraction line. Under the fraction line, we write the total number. What is the total number? 3. And on the top, we write the number of balls could Ahmed use. How many balls could Ahmed use? 1. So we write 1 on the top. So the fraction is 1/3. Number G. On the way to school, Mason found 4 blue rocks and put them in his pocket. When he got to school, he only had 3. What fraction of the rocks fell out? If we want to write the fraction, first make fraction line. Under the fraction line, we write the total number. What is the total number? 4. So we write 4. And on the top we write the number of rocks fell out. How many rocks fell out? One, so we write one on the top. The fraction is 1/4 or 1/4. Number 8. Dina has 3 cookies in her lunch. If she ate all 3 of them, what fraction of the cookies did she eat? If we want to write the fraction, first make fraction line. Under the fraction line, we write the total number. What is the total number? 3. So we write 3. On the top, we write the number of cookies she eat. How many cookies she eat? She eat all 3. So we write 3 on the top. Here the fraction is 3/3. Number I. Nada went out for pizza. The pizza was cut into 6 slices, and he ate 2 of them. What fraction of the pizza did Nada eat? If we want to write the fraction, first make fraction line. Under the fraction line, we write the total number. What's the total number? 6. So we write 6. On the top, we write the number of Nada eat. How many slices Nada eat? Nada eat 2. So we write 2 on the top. Rania picked the flowers for her mother. She picked 6 of them. 4 were red and 2 were orange. What fraction of the flowers were red? If we want to write the fraction, first make fraction line. Under the fraction line, we write the total number. What is the total number? 6. So we write 6. And on the top, we write the number of red. How many flowers are red? 4 flowers are red. So we write 4 on the top. Lesson 110. Color each flag according to the instructions so that the whole flag is colored. The first one, half red or half blue. So we color half of the shape red and another half is blue. So we color half red and half blue. The second one, third of them green and another third yellow and the last third red. So we color third green and second third yellow and the last third is red. So we colored third green and the second third yellow and the last third is red. The next one, we want to color quarter black and quarter pink and quarter yellow and quarter white. So we color quarter black and quarter pink and quarter yellow and the last quarter white. The last one, we have a shape and divided into 3 equal parts. Every part represents third. We want to color third red and third white and third black. We colored third red and third white and the last third black. Draw lines to help you color the flags according to the instructions. We want to color half brown and half green. So we draw one line. We divide it into 2 parts. We draw line to divide it into 2 parts. So we divided the shape into two parts. Half of them brown and another half is green. So we colored half brown and another half is green. So we colored half brown and half green. And the last one, we want to draw lines to divide it into three equal parts. Third of one red and second third white and third black. So we want to divide it into three equal parts. We drew two lines to divide it into three equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Third, third, third. The first part we colored red, and the second part we colored white, and the third part we colored black. So we colored third red and third white and third black.